going to introduce another one of interesting research software where it helps to now every of the researcher, either you are postgrad lecturers or researcher, so you're going to publish papers. Okay, you're going to publish a paper. So normally, when we send to the publisher, sometimes we get rejected. So this particular software help us to minimize the percentage of getting rejected by we using the AI technology, and we're going to see how does this technology help to uh, synchronize or not synchronize. I'm going to elaborate on more on what we need um, to improve more in our paper. So the software is the R Pubsure. Okay, you can just go in the Google. Okay, and then there is the one pubsure.researcher.live. Okay, so what does this software did is that, okay, you can upload your docs atau docx or your docx document into here for your free trial. You can get a free report. So the software optimize your research manuscript before general submission to avoid desk rejection. So based on AI technology, they're going to check for the technical, language, and ethical checks so that your manuscript is up to date. So basically, what is our Pubsure? You can have it in this website, and this is the samples of the report. For example, it's going to give you in the terms of language and quality. Okay, you're going to, like, if you upload the paper, see that it will indicate the percentage or the level of the language quality. In the 300 issues found, there are 55 mechanic and staff, 23 issues of readability, 53 issues of vocabulary, and 169 issues writing errors. So these are just examples. Okay, so you're going to highlight, for example, the metaphormondize, the categories under spelling errors, spelling, okay, and the examples. And technical check. So technical check, you're going to check on the authorship, you're going to check on the structure, the language use, declarations, the ethical use of image, ethical declaration, the relevance of the references, the self-citation check. So self-citation is quite things that we need be uh, to be alert to. Now, for example, in the relevance of references, I if there is an issue, for example, here the issue is outdated references found. Okay, so there's a few more that going to be checked in under just by the technical check. Okay, the next thing that you can check is the copyrighted methods. Okay, keyword and summarize. So does the keyword match it with your manuscript? You summarize the headline. Okay, uh, and then it's going to show you what are the summaries of your paper, so you can write down in your abstract. Okay, the highlights of your paper you can write down in your abstract, and then is this the conclusion. Okay, so this website also able to recommend and suggest a particular not A is a particular websites or particular journal where you can send for publishing. So when it's a norms, if it has a high percentage of mass, then highly probability that your paper able to be accepted to that journal. Alright. So this is the list of the papers that been accepted, and you can also check for plagiarism. Uh, for example, here, okay, this site shows that 90% plagiarized by this Chitin Kumar area. Okay, and then These is examples of the report. It's similar like alternative. Okay, it's similar like how does alternative works. And it has the certifications, certified quality. This paper have 80, where it has a score of 54/60. Okay, so it go with the percentage with the certification. It will say that either your paper is ready to be submitted or not. Okay, bear in mind the one that I showed to you just now is the example. Okay, now so who going to benefit from it? Why we need to use it? You can try to use it because it has a language quality, relevance with the reference. It has a self-citation check, table and figure, citation, inclusive language, and more. Here you can see at the page. Okay, and let us see what other researchers says about the R Pubsure. For example, Dr. Ala Mustafa from Pakistan said that this R Pubsure is the best researcher-friendly application. So, to have, for example, lecturer, I believe that in publication is one of the indicators for your yearly reports, progress reports. Okay, so to increase the chances to be accepted without being rejected by the that's rejected. So maybe you can use this R Pubsure. Okay, now R Pubsure, there are, if I'm not mistaken, there are 3 ways where you can, if you wish for the premium versions. Okay, it's a web-based login system. Okay, the first method, not the first mode is that it can be uploaded using one paper with one author. Okay, the second mode is like 3 papers with the same authors. Okay, the third mode is unlimited upload, unlimited papers, but the author or the user, the owner of the systems, need to be in all the manuscript. Means that you have a manuscript and your friend would like you to check his manuscript to avoid death rejections, but your name is not written or not be included in his paper, in your friend's paper. So R Pubsure can be used to check his paper. That is the thing. So you can try for free at pubsure.researcher.live where you can upload and get free report. So you can just, for examples, I have this demo paper for Grammarly, so I just upload it here. So yes, I would like to check this file, and then the system will upload your manuscript, and then it will comes out like this. So here is how you're going to check my paper. So this is my previous, I already checked it. Okay, so my score is 24, means that it's really not suitable for me to submit it yet. It's not ready. So I need to repair and revise my paper regarding to the what we suggested here. So I hope that you can try R Pubsure and see either it suits your research life or not. All the best. Bye.